We understand that dental pain and dental anxiety are real things. For a lot of our patients who are very anxious, we have a lot of different sedation options available. We have a dental anesthesiologist that really helps combat the fear with our patients. As far as the post-operative pain after a dental procedure, if we're placing just 1 or 2 implants, most patients say that they're only sore for about a day or so. Whenever we're doing extensive surgery, a lot of patients are able to manage the pain with our instructions and the pain medication we give them. But they're out and about doing their normal day-to-day activities within a few days. Most patients think that going through a full arch dental treatment can take up to a year. With our technology, we're able to bring that time down into about 4 or 6 months. As far as implant surgery is concerned, a single implant can take as little as about 10 to 20 minutes. For a full arch surgery, when we're rebuilding a patient's smile, the surgery can take upwards of about 2 or 3 hours. For people who are concerned about the cost of the dental implant treatment, we have many payment plans available. We're also providers for Blue Cross Blue Shield medical PPO. We found that they really help cover the cost of all-on-4 and dental implant treatment. If you have any concerns or questions, please call our office for a consultation, and let's get your journey started towards a new smile and a new life.